sometimes you have the right skills. You have the technical skills. You've gone through a lot of training. You've done self-study. You've worked on projects, but you're still not getting a lot of responses. And that's because the technical skills may not be tailored for the job. So job search is a lot of effort. So the suggestion here is that you need to prepare several versions of the resumes. You should definitely have a more generic version that you use for applying for many jobs, right? It's impossible to tailor your job for the 500, job, tailor your resume for 500 job postings. So my recommendation could be, use a generic version to apply for, let's say, 450 jobs. But for the 50 jobs that are really interesting to you, or it's either the company that's very interesting, or the jobs that you think fits your skill set and your passion really well, then you might want to spend more time, read the job posting carefully, and then tailor the keywords and also tailor your experience to what the employers are looking for. If you don't tailor your resume, the chance of getting, hearing the response will be relatively lower, right? So tailoring the resume is important. And if you have the data science skills, my recommendation is always have a BI or data analytics version of the resume. And then you have a data scientist version. And maybe you can have a data engineering version as well, but it depends on whether you have data like related skills, right? Relevant skill sets. And if you're a machine learning engineer, like your goal is to become a machine learning engineer, then you should definitely have a data science version as well, right? So that would be my recommendation. And then apply for different types of jobs, because sometimes when the companies say they're hiring a data analyst, and if you read the job description carefully, they may actually need someone to be able to do predictive modeling and some machine learning as well. And if you're a career switcher, becoming a data scientist in your first job, it becomes harder, right? In a tough job market because it's more competitive. So you might as well just getting started, from a data analyst position, and then work your way up to become a data scientist. So that's another suggestion here. But regardless, I think spending some time to tailor resumes will be useful, but you don't have to do that for every job you apply for.